Hey there, Car Care Zone family. Are you tired of dealing with dead batteries and unexpected replacements? Well, today's your lucky day. In this video, we're diving into 15 practical ways to make your car battery last twice as long. From simple maintenance tips to smart driving habits, we'll cover everything you need to know to keep that battery running strong. So, whether you're a seasoned car owner or just getting started, stick around. This is information you won't want to miss. As a car owner, one of the most frustrating experiences is dealing with a dead battery. Not only can it leave you stranded, but replacing a car battery can also be a costly affair. Fortunately, there are practical steps you can take at home to extend the life of your car battery significantly. In this video, we'll explore effective strategies that can help your battery last twice as long, ensuring you get the most out of your investment. Understanding your car battery. Before diving into the tips, it's essential to understand how your car battery works. Most vehicles use lead-acid batteries, which provide the necessary power to start the engine and run electrical systems. Over time, factors such as temperature, usage patterns, and maintenance can affect battery performance and lifespan. Common causes of battery failure. 1. Corrosion. Corrosion on battery terminals can impede the flow of electricity. 2. Extreme temperatures. Both hot and cold weather can negatively impact battery performance. 3. Frequent short trips. Short trips prevent the battery from fully charging. 4. Neglecting maintenance. Failing to check battery health can lead to unexpected failures. Now that we understand the basics, let's explore practical steps you can take to extend your battery's life. 1. Regular maintenance. Clean battery terminals. Corrosion can build up on battery terminals, which can lead to poor connections and reduced performance. Regularly inspect your battery terminals for any signs of corrosion, which often appears as a white, powdery substance. To clean them, disconnect the battery cables negative first. Use a mixture of baking soda and water to scrub the terminals with a non-metallic brush. Rinse with cool water and dry thoroughly before reconnecting the cables. Secure connections. Ensure that the battery cables are tight and free from fraying. Loose connections can lead to intermittent power loss and may prevent the battery from charging correctly. Regularly check the tightness of the connections and tighten them if necessary. 2. Monitor battery health. Using a multimeter, you can check the voltage levels of your battery periodically. A fully charged battery should read around 12.6 volts or higher. If the voltage drops below 12.4 volts, it may be time to recharge or replace the battery. During regular vehicle maintenance, have your battery tested by a professional. Many auto shops offer free battery testing, which can help identify potential issues before they become significant problems. 3. Avoid short trips. Take longer drives. Starting a car requires a significant amount of power from the battery. A typical car starter motor can draw anywhere from 80 to 300 amps or more, depending on factors such as engine size, engine condition, starter motor condition, battery condition, and ambient temperature. Frequent short trips can prevent your battery from fully charging, as the alternator may not have enough time to replenish the battery's energy used when starting your car. Whenever possible, combine errands into a single trip or take longer drives to ensure your battery gets a full charge. 4. Limit power usage when idle. Before shutting off your car, make sure to turn off all electronics, including lights, radio, and air conditioning. Leaving these on can drain the battery, especially if the engine is not running. 5. Temperature considerations. Both hot and cold temperatures can affect battery performance. In cold climates, consider using a battery warmer to keep the battery at an optimal temperature. In hot climates, park your car in shaded areas to prevent overheating. 6. Drive regularly. If your vehicle sits in use for extended periods, the battery can discharge. To prevent this, try to drive your car at least once a week. If you know you won't be using your vehicle for a while, consider using a battery maintainer to keep it charged. 7. Invest in a quality battery. When it comes time to replace your battery, invest in a high-quality battery from a reputable brand. While they may have a higher upfront cost, quality batteries often offer longer lifespans and better performance. 8. Use a battery maintainer. Keep your battery charged. If you have a vehicle that you don't drive often, consider using a battery maintainer. These devices monitor the battery's voltage and automatically adjust the charge to prevent under and overcharging. This is especially useful for classic cars or seasonal vehicles. 9. Check electrolyte levels. Maintain proper levels. If you have a maintenance-free battery, you may not need to worry about this step. However, if your battery has removable caps, check the electrolyte levels regularly. If they're low, add distilled water to bring them to the appropriate level. 10. Avoid overcharging. If you use a battery charger, ensure it has an automatic shut-off feature to prevent overcharging. Overcharging can lead to battery damage and reduce its lifespan. 11. Keep your battery cool. Heat is a battery's worst enemy. Avoid parking your car near heat sources, such as radiators or direct sunlight, which can cause the battery to overheat and degrade faster. 12. Use your car's features wisely. Limit heavy electrical loads. If you know you'll be using heavy electrical loads, like the heater or air conditioning, try to minimize their use when the engine is off. This will help preserve battery life. 13. Inspect for leaks. Regularly inspect your battery for any signs of leaks or damage. If you notice any fluid leaking from the battery, it may be time to replace it, as leaks can indicate a failing battery. 14. Keep the battery clean. In addition to cleaning the terminals, keep the entire battery clean. Dirt and grime can create a conductive path that can drain the battery. Wipe down the battery with a damp cloth regularly to keep it clean. 15. Know when to replace. Finally, be aware of the signs that your battery may need replacing. If your car struggles to start, the lights dim when you turn the key, or you notice corrosion around the terminals, it may be time for a new battery. Recent studies have shown that proper battery maintenance can increase lifespan significantly. According to automotive experts, regular checks and preventive measures can double the life of a car battery, making it a worthwhile investment for any car owner. By implementing these practical tips, you can significantly extend the life of your car battery and avoid the hassle and expense of premature replacements. Regular maintenance, monitoring battery health, and being mindful of your driving habits can make a world of difference. Remember, a well-cared-for battery not only lasts longer, but also ensures your vehicle runs smoothly and reliably. Thanks for watching, Car Care Zone family. Now that you're equipped with these essential tips, you can extend the life of your car battery and save yourself from those frustrating surprises. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow drivers. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more car care tips and tricks. Have any battery maintenance tips of your own? Drop them in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Until next time, keep your wheels turning and your battery running strong.